I had a few weeks before Samyang Tsunim's Christmas Zen camp began, so I went out to the workshop mornings, before the work period began at the Zen Center, and cut out the pieces from our stockpile of old leftover wood and slowly began to assemble the tree. I learned early on, you do most of the work by putting the piece in place, not by using math. You have to trust your eye. It becomes like sculpture after a while, after you become fluid with all of the tools. You don't have to think so much. The end result will take in all of the parameters and everything will fit properly anyway. The work takes form on its own. It wasn't always like this. It took many, many years. You have to get paid for it, to depend on it for your sustenance, to really develop as a carpenter. Having said that, this isn't the best work I've done. But the parameters, the scale, everything came out perfect. It was really nice to finally bring Samyang Tsunim out to the workshop and show her the result.
Oh, oh, very good. Wow.
Now that she's here, we're gonna light it up.